Creating a repair docket is an easy 1, 2, 3-step process. This is everything that you need to know to get started and begin offering fully documented certified repairs. First, go to www.assuredperformance.net and log into ShopOps using your username and password. You'll immediately view your ShopOps dashboard and select the RepairDOC Certified Repair tab. Next, you will open the Available Docket button at the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the magnifying glass next to the customer's name for the repair that you want to perform. Finally, by selecting Create Docket, you'll take your first step toward beginning the certified repair process and creating an official repair docket. The technicians that you have assigned to the repair docket can begin their repair work using the RepairDOC Technician Smart App, available in the Google Play or App Store. For help with creating a repair docket or any other aspect of ShopOps, RepairDOC, or your account management, please contact us today at 949-221-0010.